Manipur remembers Lamyanba Hijam Mirabot on its 66th death anniversary. The day is being observed as State Mourn Day. State Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council Dr. M. Nara warns about organ trade mafia against the people of Northeast. Minister Thokchom Radhesham attends the launching of web portal Pencil platform for effective enforcement for no child labour at New Delhi. Urges the central government to develop infrastructure in Manipur. And normal life severely affected in Chandal district by the 48 hours burn called in protest against the alleged misappropriation of MG and REGS wages. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News with me, Priyobarta, and now the news in detail. Irravat Celebration Committee observed the State Mourn Day 2017, the 66th death anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irravat at Irravat Bhavan Complex today. Speaking on the occasion, State Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council Dr. M. Nara maintained that the state government should not be surprised by the Chanam Pravish and Taurem Bittu incidents. He warned that there may be a gang involved in the organ transplants of people from the Northeast. Dr. Nara said there has been innumerable deaths of people from the Northeast, including Manipur, under the watch of BJP-led government in the centre. There are doubts of organ transplants after the death of Pravish Chanam and disappearance of Taurem Bittu. While appreciating Chief Minister Nongthumbam Biren for meeting with his UP counterpart over the death of Pravish, Dr. Nara cautioned the government to not treat the incidents as a surprise. He urged the government to find the truths behind these cases. On the other hand, Dr. Nara said Lamyanba Hijam Irrabat is a sentiment for the people of Northeast and that he belongs to the downtrodden. He does not belong only to the Communist Party. Leaders of CPI Manipur State Unit and many others took part in the program. Floral tributes were offered to the deceased leader on the occasion.
Delhi police na chathariba thawong, we condemn it, strongly condemn it. Koi Communist Party no si yade Delhi da leriba koi ki satra naharol sangstal kain hauriba ihawase, we fully support it. Karigi no thoi porse angak pa thawdok amani hairaga loiba yabra. There must be reasons behind angak pa port kaya lerangani madu thidok tabi yaroi. There are all suspicions karamba makhal ki gang na karamba karbar chathariba miyobigi human organs karbar to bodashi narbra samaj se ki shaktam se. These are all manifestations of the advanced capitalism.
Lamyanba Hijam Irrabat Celebration Committee also observed the occasion at Pishumthong Oinamlikai Irrabat Statue Complex, Irrabat Road today. Speaking on the occasion, CAF and PD and Revenue Minister Karam Sham asserted that there will be positive changes in the society if the leaders sacrificed like Lamyanba Hijam Irrabat. He said, it is time the current generation discussed about the life of Hijam Irrabat. Lamyanba Hijam Irrabat was always in the front to sacrifice for the state as a leader. He was a social reformer, artist, freedom fighter, and someone who always cared for the downtrodden. Karam Sham further said if the leader was alive today to witness the current mess in the state of Manipur, he would have been unhappy. The minister urged the people of the state to popularize the leader not only in Manipur but across the nation. People paid floral tributes to the bust of the deceased leader on the occasion.
Ngasigi lusingwasingna mangondagi tamjaningai oiba kayama akoina lairi tamjabagi tangai fadabasu lairi aduna kharamakhay khudung inna satpa kanda laibaksida hana sauna awonba ahungba ma lakani haibagi thajabadu lai maramdi luchingba oibagi luchingba amagi yauriba maguldu akoina ngasi nainaba khaktana yadaba lamdamsi asuki matik aruba phiba mamada mayoknari senja thumjagi wathok Prajagi hak matpagi wathok social issue problem mayamama even hoji mak notice ki mioi kya dalida adi sak manadabagi madugi victimization mayamama phangakwa aduna akoi struggle tawbase hena darkar oiri.
Lamphel Supermarket Chowkat Thaurang Nupi Loop will hold a cleanliness drive in and around Lamphel Supermarket tomorrow in connection with the Irrabat Day observance. Manipur Proletariat People's Democratic Union, Socialist Students Union of Manipur and Struggle Committee Manipur jointly observed the 66th death anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irrabat at Thangmaiban Thau ground today. A state-level march-past competition participated by 10 contingents from schools coming from various districts in the state, and 2 NCC contingents provided salute to the statue of Lamyanbe Irabot at the event. Many people coming from various places in the state also offered floral tributes to the statue of Hija Mirabot on the occasion. Speaking to Impact News at the sidelines of the event, Publicity and Propaganda Convener of Socialist Students Union of Manipur, Naurem Tanuranjan, said the event was organized with an objective to synchronize various students' unions and other organizations in the state to bring resolutions to various unresolved issues in the state. He appealed for unified strength from various organizations in the state.
Ngasi akhoi khunai sida leiriba macoi tadona leiriba akhoi lupching amari tongan tongan civil organization sing asi amatoina punchina magi pandam magalona pangthok jabani da sengmadi luching ba sigi makhada poda akoina khongthang thangli di hairaga akhoi macoi tabagi wakhalo leiba si tasena yamna leibak thibani Hija Mirabot na pamjaram ba wakhalo di akhoi amatoina punchin duna khunai sigi damakta sintha pangba haiba sini.
Irabot Celebration Committee in a press release has informed that the Irabot Theatre Award 2017 will be presented to renowned theatre and director Lamabam Gojendro. The award will be presented on the 27th of this month. Southeast Asia Human Rights Association SEAHRA donated stationery items to students of Nomibung Primary School at a function with a grand feast at their premises on the eve of the death anniversary of Lamyanbe Hija Mirabot today. Resource persons at the function spoke on the contribution of the freedom fighter. On the other hand, Publicity Secretary of Sihara Chingangbam Johnson said the first state-level debate competition in connection to the memorial celebration of Hija Mirabot will be held on September 30th, and the contestants' cards can be collected from Sihara's head office at Nomibung. Langthabal Sporting Club in a press release stated that the 4-day social service camp organized by the club in connection with Irabot Day concluded successfully today. Labour and Employment Minister Thokchom Radhesham today attended the launching of the web portal Pencil, platform for effective enforcement for no child labour to fight against child labour at the National Conference on Child Labour. The Pencil web portal was launched and Standard Operating Procedure SOP on child and adolescent labour was released by the Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh at the National Conference on Child Labour held at Pravasi Bharatiya Kendra, Chanakyapuri, New Delhi today. Developed by the Ministry of Labour and Employment, the portal Pencil is an electronic device to effectively implement the National Child Labour Project NCLP to work against child labour for no child labour in the country. Thokchom Radhesham in the National Conference on Child Labour said, due to bad road conditions in Manipur and alike places in the northeastern states, it is hard to implement certain centrally sponsored schemes. He urged the central government to extend more support and help Manipur and northeastern states as the states still need to develop in terms of infrastructure. He said, the Pencil portal and Standard Operating Procedure SOP on child and adolescent labour would give an extra hand in fighting against and monitoring child abuse. The SOP aims for child labour-free India by creating a platform for trainers, practitioners and monitoring agencies ensuring prohibition and protection of children and adolescents from hazardous labour. The Pencil portal is to provide effective implementation and monitoring mechanism for both enforcement of the legislative and NCLP. It is also an online mechanism for connecting the central government to state government, district and to all project societies. October issue for the monthly publication journal Women and Crime was released today. Organization for Indian Women Against Crimes in a press release informs that the October issue includes articles on investigations regarding the rape case of a woman by her father-in-law in Sekmai and another rape case of a woman at gunpoint in Lilong. Normal life was severely affected in Chandal district by the 48 hours burn called by Naga Chiefs Association and Kuki Chiefs Association of Chandal district in protest against the alleged misappropriation of MGNREGS wages by the state government. Ban supporters blocked the district headquarters road, Komlathabi Road, Imphal More Road, Thamlakpokpi and Chakpikarong Road since early this morning. All business establishments, shops and markets remain closed in the district and people blocked the roads by placing wood logs, tables, tires, etc. Vehicles plying on the roads were forced to return. However, essential services vehicles were allowed to pass. No untoward incidents have been reported so far. Team of Food Safety and Standard Enforcement Wing, Imphal West and Imphal West Police today pulled down the shutters of Imphal Sweets, a fast food located at Thangal Bazaar, Alugali, for violating Fast Food and Food Safety and Standard Act. The team, led by Additional SP of Imphal West Police Priyadarshini Laishram, and the Food Safety Administration Imphal West team, led by Designated Officer Y. Satyajit, conducted a drive at confectionery shops and other shops at Thangal Bazaar and Pauna Bazaar. Speaking at the sidelines of the drive, Additional SP Priyadarshini maintained that the drive was initiated to keep the production quality of sweets and edible items in check as Durga Puja, Diwali and Ningol Chakoba festivals are approaching.
वाटर है ना भैया हाँ वाटर है ना ये भी है उसमें भी पानी है
नाना फजना अखोगी कनो मैम दो फजना गाइडलाइंस पीरिबा मैम दो फूड सेफ्टी की गाइडलाइंस पीरिबा मैम दो अदुई मैम दो लोइनमक फॉलो तौरगा होटल सिंगसिना फजना तौरिब्रा हाइबदो अदुगी इंस्पेक्शन राउंड अमा चचबने ngasigiसे अदुदा अखोइना होजिक ngasi कवर तौजरिबा एरिया से मरोइना अखोगी इम्फाल सिटी की थंगाल बाजार की सिदैस्ता थंगाल बाजार साइड सिदा लैरिबा अखोगी स्वीट शॉप्स अदगी होटल्स के मैम से अमता चिथदना अखोई ngasi की ड्राइव सिदा कवर तौजरे
हानसु चेक चतना लैरगसु अमुक नहोना हाइबदी इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रजा मैम सिंगसिना बल्क हाइबदी यामना लैनगदबा मतम सिजननिना मसे अखोइना सिक्योरिटी पार्टनर सिंग मैडम सिंग सिंगरगा अखोइना मोइना कोऑपरेशन पीबीदना ngasi je mass inspection drive ama satpa hobunumini akoi dum continue satkani satpa numisa sida koina itari sing ase ayamana koina hana su guidelines se mayam pidana follow up tawna ba hotel sing ase mayam se moina koina instructions se pi leba se moi follow up tawi tawriba follow up sing sida awara palem ba su koina ngasi se moida guidelines se pirame.
A team of the Imphal West Police conducted door-to-door search operations at Kashampat Ahibam Lekai and Kashampat Laishum Lerak since 5 in the morning today. The team, led by Deputy Superintendent Operation Thankochon Haukip under the supervision of ASP Operation Imphal West and Nimai, conducted the operation. Around 150 persons from 100 houses were interrogated during the operation. However, no arrests were made. A combined team of Imphal East Police and Hengang Police today conducted search operations in and around Manipur. 46 persons, including 10 women, were picked up for further verifications. It may be recalled that a low-intensity bomb exploded near UCO Bank, Manipur in the wee hours yesterday. The search operations began around 4 in the morning today. The team, led by DSP STDO Robinson Kamnam under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal East Wungpong Kasar, conducted search at Muslim Colony, Mother Teresa area and Mercy Lane Gully near UCO Bank. About 1,850 persons, including 950 women, were identified. Per an order by the Government of India and Manipur, strict measures are in place at More to prevent illegal immigration of Rohingya Muslims from Myanmar to Manipur. More Police is carrying out checks at border immigration checkpoint in gate number 1 and 2 at Indo-Myanmar border in More. Immigration Department officials of More Police carried out strict documentation and identification procedures on people coming to More and those going into Myanmar at the checkpoint. 11 Assam Rifles and 4th Assam Rifles are also keeping a strict vigil in interior areas of More along the Myanmar border, namely Howlenphai, Maipi, Molcham, etc. So far, there are no reports of any illegal Rohingya immigrants entering the state.
Manipur government gi central government gi instruction gi matungda More police amasung khoigi immigration khoina gate number 2 gate number 1 to ga khoigi More check post da kanna hojiki Rohingya issue gi kano gi problem si yamna yenge the hojik gi khoi gate number 2 su phajana check toraga changba thokba loina maxim min phajan loraga ma khoi verification kanna tori.
An army recruitment rally for enrollment of eligible candidates into Indian Army from all districts of Manipur for various posts will be conducted at football ground Kendriya Vidyalaya Leimakong, Kangpopi district from 3rd October to 10th October 2017. October 3rd is the date of recruitment rally for Imphal East, Imphal West and Jiribam. October 4th for Thoubal and Kaching, October 5th for Bishnupur, Tamenglong, None, Chandil and Tengnopal, October 6th for Suchampur, Ferrol, Ukhrul and Kamjong, and October 7th for Senapati and Kangpopi districts. Public Health Engineering Department PHED, Imphal East District Administration and Village Water Sanitation Committee Matai organized a Swachhta Hi Seva at Matai village today. As part of the drive, residents cleaned the village surroundings. Taking part in the drive, Assistant Commissioner of Imphal East District KH Diana maintained that the program began on 5th in September and will continue till the 2nd of October. The drive will be carried out at various parts of the Imphal East District. Different competitions will also be organized for the students and public to create awareness on cleanliness. Executive Engineer of PHED Imphal East, Kasham Rameshwar, appealed all villages to follow the Matai village, which is a model village that has maintained cleanliness and progressed in the field of sanitation. The Prime Minister had called upon the nation to begin the campaign Swachhta Hi Seva, Cleanliness is Service, from 15th September 2017 to Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October 2017. During his Mann Ki Baat address on August 27, 2017, he called upon people to create an environment of cleanliness in the entire country so that the coming 2nd October, the 3rd anniversary of the Swachh Bharat mission and Gandhi Jayanti, can be celebrated in a befitting manner. He urged all NGOs, schools, colleges, social, cultural and political leaders, corporates, government officials, collectors and sarpanchas to accelerate Swachhta activities during the September 15 to October 2nd period. National Service Scheme NSSL Manipur University also organized a Swachhta Hi Seva at the campus of the university today. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey, inaugurated the cleanliness program. Director of Regional Directorate of NSS Guwahati, H.K. Sharma, professors of the university and NSS volunteers of around 6 colleges under the university took part in the program. President of City Congress Committee R.K. Jiten in a press release informs that the new office bearers comprising of 4 vice presidents, 1 treasurer, 4 secretaries, 3 joint secretaries and 14 executive members of the committee have been constituted with immediate effect. And now it's time for a small commercial break, but we'll be right back in a short while. With updates, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. This is Impact News and you're watching Prime Time English News with me, Priyo Bertha, and let's see what else made news this Tuesday. Chief Minister Nongthumbam Biren has greeted the people of the state on the occasion of Durga Puja. In his message, the Chief Minister said the festival epitomizes the eternal message of victory of good over evil. He hoped the festival provides an inspiration for us to follow the path of righteousness and reinforce the bond of brotherhood and amity among all sections of the society. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar also greeted the people on the occasion. In his message, the Deputy Chief Minister hoped that the festival brings peace, happiness and prosperity to the people of Manipur. Many labourers from different districts of the state have claimed that they have been deceived by the 4 members of Labour Union with regards to the registration of labour cards. In a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, one of the victims, who identified herself as Kamdong Bina from Samram Mamanglekai, alleged that one of the members lured them to register for the cards, stating that the card will provide many benefits. They collected 350 to 500 rupees each from 73 farmers. Bina said, since the collection of the amount, the members have not been providing the cards to the farmers by postponing the dates of registration. It may be mentioned that all Manipur Building and other construction workers union had removed from their respective posts today. The 4 board members A. Prem Kumar Singh, M. Shanti Devi, T. Tikendrajit and L. Bimon Chandra were dismissed on account of being non-cooperative towards the board in the screening processes and for not maintaining official documents of prior beneficiaries.
Nang kato saraba matungda paisa kapadi agi ikuta laiba potni kato he saba numita khutakta nangi tiar ka aga khutakta nangi paisa aina kapakani hai akhoi ju sar haibege mingong do kourubani na thajabani na mangonda thajaba thamki magi 800 card da lakpa matamda akhoina khut thatlaga ma lambi da bo akhoina thallaga hangkiba matamda sar age haibunda dum thajagi adubu ngasi phawbuda mana sabi rakhide.
Manipur dealers of Star Cement Limited said dealers of Star Cement in Manipur are being affected as unauthorized persons are importing Star Cement from Assam and Nagaland by evading taxes after implementation of GST and are selling cement at lesser rate than the MRP. Manipur dealers of State Cement Limited in a press release has drawn the attention of the concerned authority to look into the matter. Joint Coordination Demand Committee of Appointment under Dye Harness Scheme Manipur staged a sit-in today at Kashampad Lemajam Lekai Community Hall against the appointment by just a few departments under the Dye Harness Scheme. Taking part in the sit-in, General Secretary of the committee Maibam Sanjit claimed that 13 departments have carried out recruitment under the 20% quota provided by the government. However, more than 17 departments have not recruited under the Dye Harness Scheme till date. He said a memorandum was submitted to the Chief Minister and Cabinet Ministers on the 13th of this month. However, there has been no response till date. Sanjit warned of intense agitations if the government does not respond by the 30th of this month.
Mamangi Sakan Cabinet decision Laura Maba, Tang trying to talk about office memorandum do, Adugi Matungina, Department Huzik, Mamang in Hajiki Department, Traum Dugidi, 20% Makara Tabuk Pigre, Lemori Department of Power Pidri, Tang Kuncha, Pawi Manundas, Hakars, Kayuma positive response, a quick the Makta Pibi Traba, Aduragadi, October Gitang, Amadagi, I quite. Jenen strike ni khangde adagi ban ni khangde adagi office gerau ni khangde office picketing ni khangde akoi makhan makha kaya gi khongjang je talib demand je phangdri ba koi changsel lagani na
Manipur State Power Distribution Committee Limited Company Limited, I beg your pardon, MSPDCL in a press release has notified that the electricity supply may be affected in Idoisemba, Borimakhong, Samusang Uku, Nauremthong and Takil Khombal tomorrow and in Langol Game Village areas on September 29th from 10 AM to 4 PM due to jungle clearance work. Chanura Singhi Yaipathaurang Lup has condemned the statements of Manipur Huyan Lanlong Lup Imphal in the print and electronic media about a scuffle between Okram Manglem and Okram Maino on the 9th of this month at Okram Chuthek. As in previous occasions, Thamaiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan today provided financial assistance to a media person. Joy Kishan today helped senior reporter of local daily Huyan Lanpao Puyam Romeshwar, who is currently undergoing treatment at Sijo Hospital, Langol due to a personal illness. He was discharged this morning. Joy Kishan visited Romeshwar at his residence in Koman, Atomlerak today. Joy Kishan maintained that the media persons have contributed to the positive changes of the state in the last 10 years. On the other hand, he said it is unfortunate that the government has not paid any attention to the Pravish Chanam and Taurem Bitu incident.
Pravesh na siba imungdugi natte koi Manipur gi da natana North East da lairiba miyoi singa sibu akoi gi thoi usitaba sigra su mangra su ikhang khangbi da rong toba masi akoi North East da lairiba mayam se pulap punjalaga aikoi su Indian citizen ama oirabani na India countries da lairaga chamana ba value amada akoi gi people gi right to chamana na phangba aduga national media na su aduga lairiba mainland India se chamana ba being ama yangan bai ba se madu changjen binaba aina Manipur lairiba media sing maruina national media thabuk tawribsing da appeal tawse.
Governor of Rotary International District 3240 Rotarian Sunil Shapa handed over the newly constructed waiting shed at Palel Kaithel, Kaching district to the people today. The waiting shed is constructed by Rotary Club of Imphal. Speaking at the inaugural function, Sunil Shapa said the government is working for the welfare of the people, but Rotary Club is also contributing to help the people. Members of Rotary Club, Palel Bazaar board members and vendors attended the function. Sunil Sharaf was also felicitated at Rotary Multi-Service Centre Mantripukri after he reached Rotary Club of Imphal on his official club visit. Bulletin of Rotary Club of Imphal Club Mani Padma was also released at the function. As part of the function, prizes for the 43rd spot painting competition were also distributed, while 3 senior citizens were also presented with gifts. Apunba Manipur Matam Ishai Kanglup Amik will observe 14th Manipuri Matam Ishai Numet on the 30th of this month. Speaking to media persons at their office in Yaiskul Janmastan, Secretary of Amik M. Dhananjoy said the day will celebrate the diversity of state through music. He appealed to all communities of the state to participate in the program.
Kuraijam Pulendro renowned lyricist asiki say hum khangatuna ma ki lyrical value sing say mek tu ki lyrical value sing to koi nei na dana miyam na tahan jagni loina na say hum chu mahang ni biram say hum al bungo sine biram say hum khan san ja duna present tau jagni say singa tu di tha thabung ton aigi pun sinanga kari thong nei aiga ano bujuki haina say ho bai say hum se present tau duna ate program mayama cultural program yauduna sarugya binaba numit ase yamna free oina kanamatagi kari restriction laitabida ticket kumba kari kumba nate open to all public punamak sarugya.
Lamlai Student Ideal Club has appealed the concerned authorities to redress the grievances regarding lack of power supply in Lamlai and Chalo villages due to breakdown of a power supplying transformer for the villages since September 15th. And in some sports news, Neroka FC Sangafam defeated their rival in the 12th Manipur State League football tournament. In the 26th league match played today at artificial turf ground Kumalam Park, Neroka beat Trau Kwakithil 2-0. For the winners, Gopi netted in the 19th and 93rd minutes of the match, striking twice. The tournament is sponsored by Kumukcham Ingocha Singh Memorial Trust. In the 27th league match, SSU Singjamai defeated DM Rao Awang Segmai 1-0. Rosiki Kaidam netted a lone winning goal in the 31st minute of the match. All Manipur Football Association has been organizing the tournament since 6th of this month. 12 teams are taking part in the tournament. Nako Nambulmapal will play FC Zalain Kangpokpi in the 28th league match, and SU Sagolban will play Nisa Thangmaiban in the 29th league match tomorrow. Well-wishers of the state continue to pour in their wishes for the 8 Manipuri players who are part of the Indian team in the Under-17 Boys FIFA World Cup. Kiam Amarjit, jersey number 8, son of K. Chandramani and Ashangbi from Thobal Haukamamalikai, is the captain of the team. Dheeraj Moirangthem, jersey number 1, son of M. Romit and Usharani from Moirang Fewambalikai, is the goalkeeper. Boris Thangjam, jersey number 2, son of T.H. Mahesh and Tamfa from Thamiban Khuyathong Polemlekai, is the defender. While Ningthoingamba Kumanthem, jersey number 7, son of K.H. Manglemba and Mina Lema from Thamiban Khuyathong Polemlekai, Suresh Wangjam, jersey number 6, son of W. Chandra and Maikoi Devi from Wangoi, SS Wahingbam Lekai, and Mohammad Sahajan, jersey number 17 from Kurai Komidog Hekrumakong, Thonojam Jackson, jersey number 25, son of T.H. Devan and Bilashni Devi from Thobal Haukamamalikai, and Nongdamba Naurem, jersey number 24 from Iroshemba are midfielders. Two matches of BCCI Vijay Merchant Cricket Trophy will be played at Luang Popa Cricket Stadium. Manipur Cricket Association in a press release said the two matches, which were scheduled to be played between Manipur and Sikkim at Patna on December 19th and Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh at Dimapur on 25th December, will now be played at Luang Popa Cricket Stadium. And before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Manipur remembers Lamyan Bahijam Irabod on his 66th death anniversary. The day is being observed as State Mon Day. State Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council, Dr. M. Nara, warns about organ trade mafia against the people of Northeast. Minister Thokcham Radhesham attends the launching of web portal Pencil, platform for effective enforcement for no child labour at New Delhi, urges the central government to develop infrastructure in Manipur. And normal life severely affected in Chandil district by the 48 hours Bandh called in protest against the alleged misappropriation of MGNREGS wages.